Pakistan's economic crisis is going from bad to worse. This is just due to the inefficiency of the political class and over-involvement of the army in decision making. This dip in forex reserves came after a loan of $1 billion was repaid by Pakistan to two United Arab Emirates banks. The forex reserves in the State Bank of Pakistan touched the lowest mark of $4.3 billion, just enough for 2 weeks. The low forex reserves have also become the reason for severe food inflation, because of which people are struggling to survive without the required food and energy resources. Now, Pakistan, after getting a portion of a $6 billion loan from IMF, hopes to receive financial support and aid from international financial organizations and friendly countries such as Saudi Arabia, China and the UAE. Pakistan had previously raised $10 billion at a donor conference in Geneva for the floods that had hit the country from June to October last year. Ironically, all of this financial help is in the form of loans, which will increase Pakistan's long-standing debt and increase its yearly debt servicing requirements. Similarly, the country already is facing difficulty in clearing import consignments and letters of credit due to delays in payments from banks. It was shameful to have a nuclear weapon in one hand and a begging bowl in the other, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif said while addressing the passing out ceremony of probationary officers of the Pakistan Administration Service. Although Sharif blamed Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf wasting time by causing political disorder through street protests, such political blame game will not help Sharif saving Pakistan from the impending default crisis.